Best homemade night creams to get beautiful skin. Moisturizing Essential Olive Oil Night Cream. Take half cup extra virgin essential olive oil, 2 spoon coconut oil and 1 spoon beeswax, 2 capsules of E-vitamin. Combine essential olive oil, coconut oil, and beeswax together inside a saucepan on low heat until it's melted. Crush the E-vitamin capsules and increase the saucepan. Let it cool. Keep cream inside a container in 70 degrees. This can be used for just 3 months. Glycerine Cream. Take 2 teaspoons rose water, 1 teaspoon coconut oil and 1 teaspoon almond oil, 1 teaspoon glycerin. Have a double boiler and add almond and coconut oil into it. Heat the combine to ensure that all of the ingredients blend completely. Take away the boiler in the heat and add rose water and glycerin towards the mixture. Keep cream inside a container and employ it daily before you go to bed. Cacao Butter Anti-Wrinkle Cream. Take 2 teaspoons cacao butter, 1 teaspoon virgin essential olive oil and 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Add all of the ingredients inside a boiler as well as heat. Heat until all of the ingredients combine correctly. Cut heat and cooling. Keep cream inside a container. Anti-Acne Aloe Vera Night Cream. Take 2 teaspoons aloe vera extracts, 1 teaspoon chamomile oil and 1 teaspoon primrose oil. Take aloe vera extract in the plant and combine it with chamomile oil. Add 1 spoon of primrose oil and blend. Keep cream inside a container and apply daily.